Welcome to SkyMet Weather Report. I am Pranati Ram and here is your daily weather forecast. As you can see, the dark red color shows that the temperatures are expected to rise over the northwest plains and a drop in temperature is expected along the foothills of East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, sub-Himalayan West Bengal. The shifting of the trough to the Himalayan foothill is a reason for this. Pleasant temperatures in lower 30s will continue over west coast, central, east and northeast India. No major change is expected over rest of the country. Due to shifting of the axis of the monsoon trough to the north, winds would be westerly over the northwest plains. Southwesterly winds from the Arabian Sea are reaching up to the central India. Moist winds from Bay of Bengal are penetrating into northeast India. West parts of monsoon trough is likely along the foothills, which would result in very light rain over the northern plain. But intensity of rain will increase along the foothills of Himalayas, particularly in eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, North Bengal and adjoining Assam. Some parts may even experience heavy rain. West coast would witness subdued rain. Central, east and northeast India will receive moderate rains at places. Light rain would occur over rest parts except West Rajasthan and Kutch, where partly cloudy sky with isolated thunderstorm is possible. Now taking a look at the temperatures of the major cities. Delhi will be uneasy due to high temperature and humidity. Maximum will reach at 35 but the minimum would be comfortable at 27 degrees. Sky will be partly cloudy with light rain in some parts of the city. Mumbai's morning are still very joyous at 25 degrees but the day will be sultry at 31 degrees. Light rain spells would bring some respite. The weather god's favorite city, Bangalore, will see light showers in some parts, making it awesome. Maximum will be around 31 degrees and the minimum at 21. Hyderabad will be sultry at 33 degrees, sky would remain cloudy, morning will be comfortable at 23 degrees and a few spell of light rain are expected. In Chennai, humid weather and a maximum of 36 degrees will not let you feel any comfort, but a few showers might bring some relief in many parts of the city. Morning will be good at 25 degrees. So on that note, I take your leave for now. Catch us again tomorrow right here on SkyMetWeather.com. I am Pranati Ram and thank you for tuning in.